Now normally, most everything we do is from scratch, but tonight we're gonna use some packaged stuff just because we have it and just because it's good.
We know it's good.
And this is a number 2 on the Richter scale of how difficult this particular show is to cook. This is easy.
Yes, it is.
Super easy. You could make your own spoon bread. We're doing a mix from our friends in Midway, and we're just gonna follow this particular recipe, change it up just a little bit for you out there. But spoon bread goes along with that casserole really well.
Yes, it does. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. We'll start with this, and I'm gonna read the recipe right off the package because it's such a great recipe. So what we're adding is we have a 1/3 cup, and I said cooking oil. Of course, we always use
Olive oil.
yes.
As my papa
1/3
would
cup
say.
of that. A 1/3 cup of buttermilk.
You gotta have buttermilk.
That's right.
Love our buttermilk.
And I have a cup of creamed corn.
I'm digging it.
I know. It's pretty simple, isn't it? I like this. And then a cup of sour cream.
Can we stir?
Yeah. And this is another half-hour recipe, but this is at 400 degrees. Everything's a half hour. Makes it simple.
Everything is a half hour. I got an idea, and tell me what you think about this. I had a thought. How would you all like me to, at some point in the near future, at the end of the show, and we've talked about this, and I want you to let us know on our different places that you can get a hold of us. What would you think if I asked you all, said, hey, next Saturday, such and such date, we're gonna watch the show. What if I said, get these ingredients and we'll do it together as we're on the show at 7 o'clock on Saturday night. As you follow along with us, you can make what we're making. Because most people can watch TV on a phone or...
Make it
Tell
right
me what
with
you
us.
think about that. I already like that.
All right, it's gonna be easy. There we go. That's it. We just got to watch this. This is a half hour.
Spoon bread.
Whew.
An old Kentucky tradition.